Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Hope you all are fine and staying at your home. Let's start with the computer class. Today we will learn lesson number 4, input and output devices. In previous lecture we will learn about input devices. There are different types of input devices. They are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, webcam, light pen, barcode reader, touch screen, track or trackball. In previous lecture, we will learn some input devices in detail. Today, we will learn some other input devices in detail. Input devices, light pen. Light pen, similar to the pen, is a pointing device which is used to select a display menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of a photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. When its tip is moved over the monitor screen and pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signals to the CPU. Light pen are easy to use. They have extremely good positional accuracy on a computer screen, much more than is possible with a mouse or a touch screen. They are ergonomically designed for ease of hand movement and are excellent for all drawing and pointing tasks. They don't require extra disk space and are easily modified for use by people with disabilities. Light pen is a optical input device. Next input device is barcode reader. Barcode readers are electronic devices for reading printed barcodes. These are optical machine readable presentations of data relating to the object to which they are attached. They define these objects. Barcode readers consist of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor that translate optical impulses into electrical ones. Barcode reader is an optical scanner that can read printed barcodes, decode the data contained in the barcode, and send the data to a computer. Barcodes are applied to the product as means of quick identification. They are used in retail stores as part of the purchase process in warehouse to track inventory and on invoice to assist in accounting among many other uses. Next input device is touchscreen. A touchscreen is a computer screen that can be used by touching it with a finger or a stylus pen instead of using a mouse and keyboard. It can be as a touchpad with a screen built into it. A touchscreen is a display that can recognize a touch to its surface area either with a finger or a stylus. Touchscreens have become very commonplace in our daily lives. Touchscreens are commonly used on cell phones, ATMs, kiosks, ticket vending machine, and more. All use touch panels to enable the user to interact with a computer or device without the use of a keyboard or mouse. Next input device is trackball. In computing, a trackball is a pointing input device. It consists of a ball held by a socket containing sensor to detect a rotation of the ball about two axes. It is like an upside down mouse with a ball that sticks out. The user rolls the ball with the thumb, fingers, or the palm of the hand to move a cursor. The trackball is a pointing device that is much like an inverted mouse. Hope you all are enjoying this video. Thank you.